In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you an unstoppable credit method in 2026 that gets everything deleted off the credit report and it never comes back. Now, this was a client who started working with us, I would say early in this year, all right? So as of December 22nd, 2025, as y'all can see right there, they had a 424 credit score. And y'all see where they're at right now today, they're at a 753. Now, if my math is correct, that's over 329 point increase, 329 point increase. This was only about 5 months. And you can see they start seeing some results. January 27th, 2026, they were at a 478. So not much of a difference, just a 50 point increase. But look at this. From January 27th, where they were at a 474, and then February 10th, they jumped up to a 753. Now what exactly would happen for your credit score to jump over 300 points? Let me show you. And I'm doing this in real time. So see what's changed. So we're going to click there and then we're going to look at previous changes. All right. 275 points. And again, you had that 54 point increase. So let's just look and see what happened to get it up 275 points, because that's a huge jump. All right. Accounts removed. And I know what a lot of people say, oh, it's Credit Karma. What about FICO? Doesn't matter. Credit Karma, FICO. So Credit Karma uses Vantage Score. FICO is obviously FICO, but regardless, that doesn't change the fact that these items get removed off your credit report. It's just a different formula. All right. So look at all these accounts. Capital One account removed from your file between January 27, 2026 and February 10th. Capital One account removed off the credit report. American Express removed off the credit report. Truist Bank removed off. You got another American Express. You got USAA Federal Savings. You got State Employees Credit Union. You got 2 more Truist accounts. You got a Wells Fargo, another American Express, Navy Federal, State Employees. Like, you can't even keep up. Look at all these accounts that were removed off of the file. So if you have this many negative accounts removed, you're definitely going to see a huge increase in your credit score, as y'all saw with this. All right. So this is what we're doing out here. We're getting these accounts completely deleted off the credit report. 275 point increase since January 27, 2026. Right now, it's almost the end of April, and this client took action and increased their credit score over 329 points. That's crazy work right there. Again, just to show you, all right, they had very bad credit, 424. That's close to a 3-something. That's terrible credit. All right, terrible credit, but they took action. That's the main thing they did. They took action, and in no time, between December and February, that's 329 point increase. When you combine this jump right here and this one, let's see what happened right here. All right. Again, right here, you have some balance decreases, some accounts that were closed, some payments that were made on time. Let's not take credit for this. This really wasn't anything. But as y'all see, Navy Federal accounts become delinquent, right? It went from 30 days to 60 days. So 60 days to 120 days late. You're not going to be able to get any type of financing when you have a 400 credit score. All right. So let me repeat that for those in the back. When your credit score starts with a 4, a 5, even a 6, even sometimes even with a 700 credit score, there's not a guarantee, but a 4, 5, 6, you could forget about it. Like, a lot of people want to see what banks they can get approved for with bad credit, right? But the better solution is just to invest in yourself, fix your credit and results like this. We've been doing this for years, right? We've been doing this for a long time, showing you guys. I don't know if some of y'all forgot, but I just want to show you this to let y'all know we are doing this in 2026. We are getting the best results out there. Do yourself a favor, call the number up on the screen, CP Restoration. We're going to get these accounts knocked off. Let me show y'all again for those who may have been late to the video. All right, so let's go back real quick and show y'all what happened to result in a 275 point increase. Let's count these accounts again. All right, you got Capital One, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 delinquent accounts removed off the credit report, man. 14 accounts, man. That's crazy work right there. And we knocked it out. And as y'all can see, this was back in, let me see, this was February 10th. Here we are more than 2 months later. So for those who say, oh, it's going to come back, it comes off and it comes back. It's been a couple months. These accounts have not come back yet. So when we get these accounts removed, we get them gone. They're not coming back. When these accounts get hit by us, they're not coming back. So we completely knock these accounts off the credit report. We boost your credit report up, and then we help you go get funding. We help you get to the bag, right? And then once you get to the bag, if you choose to do, we can help you put that capital into a proven business model where you can generate cash flow so you don't have to go broke and not be able to afford to make your payments on your credit cards. So it's really just a whole ecosystem, but the foundation of it is getting your credit fixed, right? Get your credit fixed and you'll see how quickly everything else falls in line. Call the number up on the screen, CP Restorations. Let's get it.
Call the number on the screen to live the good life.